This is my new puppet, number 2. So my new puppet is, drumroll please. Hey kids, want some money for making more Muppet shows, like Muppets Mayhem that just came out. It's so good. Oh yeah, like that's so good. That's what I can do. So smart I am, baby, one more time. Yeah, it's kind of big to be honest, but I ordered it. It's supposed to come the next day, didn't. Then it kind of came in the night. The next day it came in the night. Like, this is so cool. It's like kind of big to be honest. It looks nothing like Kermit the Frog, but it feels cool. Like, look, he's like, look at those feet. Oh. Wait, you're not used to this background. Maybe this is where you're probably used to right now. This is this background you can't. Yeah, so this is kind of fun to be honest. I did get a new puppy. I think this is like, the eyes are like pretty good. I'm gonna say the body is fine, I guess, but the yellow is like not that good. Yeah. But it is an okay puppet after all, because guys, my first video of Kermit the Frog, I have a TikTok of this guy too. We built this city. This city on rock and wow. We built this city. We built this city on rock and we built this city. We built this city on rock. We built this city on rock. Rock and roll. There's a little look, this is my new puppet. And 1 second. I need to get a paper, okay? Oh my god. Okay. I see you. Oh guys, happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms. I will see you in my next video. I will see you soon, like this on the paper. And bye.